Right, just look into the camera, Lewis, to see if there's a light on in the middle. Right in the middle, can you see it? Look closer. Yeah, well, maybe if you want.
No, I can't hear you because you put a hands free in the car and you want to test it, but I can't hear you.
Right, alright then. Thanks for your time, mate.
Bye.
Alright, cheers, bye. Right, so in today's episode, we are fitting the ATOTO F7 SE, right, in-car entertainment system. The main reason we're doing this is because the customer wants a reversing camera. So you can see, he's just bought a van, so we have this reversing camera that gets linked in, but also what we've sold him as well is to have the dash camera put in as well, so everything runs off one unit. So then he's got his dash cam footage if he ever needs to use his dash cam footage, which I think is quite important. I've never fitted the ATOTO dash cam before, but we've done the older system in the Bredford camper where we fitted the smaller system in the Bredford camper. So today we're putting all this in this van. Now we haven't got the surround for it because at the moment the surrounds are out of stock and they're a nightmare, but the customer doesn't mind us slightly modifying this because you can pick these ones up. So we're actually going to cut here and cut there and fit our stereo into that void. That is the plan, and hopefully all that will go swimmingly well and it'll fit in there and we haven't just wrecked the center console. Then we'll find out where to mount the dash cam, and then we need to run all the way up the top or all the way along the bottom. I don't know which way we're going to do it yet. It depends. We need to run the wire for the dash cam to the back, so it might come up through the back, but obviously with this all here, this bulkhead and this having the seats in here, it's it's got a fag burn. It's yeah, it's going to be a bit of a nightmare running the wires back, I think, to get through this bulkhead. I don't know, we'll find out. And then we'll put the reverse camera. They're really noisy over there today, aren't they? Then we'll put the reverse camera just underneath there or underneath there, depending how long the wire is. So yeah, that's the plan for today. It wasn't planned to be filmed. This video is no way sponsored or endorsed by ATOTO, but we love the stereo that they sent out in the Bredford. It still works, so we thought we'd try all the ATOTO stuff in this and see how good it is. Let's work away, I suppose.
Confident. Yeah, we can ask for.
put that on the time lapse. Basically put some glue behind there. I'm just going to pinch the corners down, and then that there is just, you don't see it anyway, it's just to house that, and then we can screw them too. So but there we go. So I'll just stick it on the time lapse while I'm clamping them up. I don't know, might just leave it going. Stay there. There we go, it's still going. Still going. Could all go wrong. Could all go wrong. Yeah, definitely could all go wrong. Did you have a good holiday? Good. Roy's had a good holiday, one of our neighbours.
Same one's what I went on the Bradford, isn't it?
Yeah, but we had the Bradford dangling from underneath the floor. You just like the exercise to go under the.
Don't ask me what's
bumper.
going on here, I have no idea.
He's put it. What? Has he really?
That's how I picked it up, yeah.
Right, that's had lunch to go off. There we go. So I'm going to get the radio fitted now, and that'll look really nice. Look really nice. You don't see it anyway. It's just doing its job. Right, it's the fitting stage now. Sam knows what he's doing. And then we'll peel a clear film off, or do we leave it to the customers to do? I think we'll do it. So we're just working out the plugs for the reverse camera, and then we're just gonna, we haven't got a micro SD card. We did forget to buy one, but I've got plenty that we use for filming. So we're just gonna try the micro SD card in there, see if we can get the dash cam working, and get all this clipped in place, all the surround that we've made in there. Nice, saves a lot of money. That surround saves about £100 doing that. Didn't take majorly long at all, it took me about an hour to knock up. So it's all going together now, and then we'll test everything. Right, just look into the camera, Lewis, to see if there's a light on in the middle. Right in the middle, can you see it? Look closer. Yeah, well, maybe if you want. Right, cheers, Lou. Well, there we go. Right, I've connected it with our music, royalty free music that we have on Epidemic Sound, so we can test it. There we go.
Oh, estimated arrival second Saturday, Wednesday.
It's alright, isn't it? For standard speakers. So I am just going to go and test the SIM card to make sure the dash cam works. But I really like the layout of the system itself. It links to the phone easy. We've just got to get that, which is broken on the van, to finish install, but we can't get that for a couple of days. So I'm hoping that'll arrive to stick it in with the rest of the video, that I can sort that out. The reverse camera seems good. So the reverse camera works well nicely there. Got the microphone there that we're going to test next, and then he can get his phone holder somewhere like that. And then we've got, that's the dash cam there, so that's that sorted. And then we've got the stereo down there, which is really nice. The stereo there, so right there. So that's the system fitted, and we'll just test the phone now. You can hear me all right?
Yeah, I can. You put a hands-free in the car, but I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
No, I can't hear you because you put a hands-free in the car and you want to test it, but I can't hear you.
Right, all right then. Thanks for your time, mate.
Bye.
All right, cheers, bye. I think we're ringing someone else. Hey Siri, call Garage landline. He's not going to answer it, is he? Hey Siri, call little Lewis.
I don't see a Louis in your contacts. Who would you like to call?
Hey Siri, call little Lewis. It's not very loud, is it? Alright.
You want it, mate?
Are you calling me from the van by any chance?
Yes, we are doing a test, little Lewis. Can you hear me loud and clear?
I can hear you loud and clear.
Thank you. Does it sound like there's some tap? Oh, hang on. Yeah, I'm filming his number on there, aren't I? Well done, Sam. I'm filming your number on the screen. I'll stop that now. Can you hear? Is it distorting now and crackling?
Yeah, it is.
Right, is it stopped now?
Yeah.
Right, you can hear me loud and clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, little Lewis.
Did you notice your dad's called in?
Your dad's here as well, by the way.
Yeah, I've seen him.
Right,
Yeah.
right, sound mate. Alright, cheers, Lewis.
He's looking for you.
He's found me.
Are they?
Yeah, alright, try, Lewis.
Right.
Right. Must say, the ATOTO system proper surprises me. If you want to save a fortune, instead of buying Sony or a real good brand make, go with ATOTO. They have a customer service is excellent, and I ain't saying this, we haven't been sponsored by them for this video. I'll put a link down below to their stuff, which is our Amazon affiliate link. If you buy it through us, we get a little bit of a commission. That's how it helps us make these videos. If you don't feel like fitting a system like this yourself and you want us to do something like this for you, we can fit it in vans, commercial vehicles, whatever you want really. I don't know if we could fit it on a motorbike, but we'd give it a go. The email is in the link down below. Hit us up and we'll get the job priced up for you.
No music version. This is the XRTT build.
See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Love you all. What a community the Shine Automotive family is.